Hey guys, welcome back to the Delpratt family.
Yep.
And today, this is a video that you guys have requested us to do a long while back, but we've been
a little bit busy and procrastinating and all of that, but we got you guys, we're getting, but I think we forget to know guys.
Yes.
Right, so today we are actually touring the Phoenix Park Village community.
Yes.
Right? We know say Phoenix Park Village 2 is coming soon, right? Go have an extensive waiting list for that community, right? Certain pricing information are really published yet, but we can kind of have an idea of the pricing based on what like Phoenix Park Village sold for, like the last phases in Phoenix Park Village was sold for. So we are here. Phoenix Park Village is a Gore development in Portmore, St. Catherine, right? This development is will be like 1999 houses. Right, so this community is still being built right now.
On the verge of finishing.
Right.
So as they're finished with this community, then they're gonna start Phoenix Park Village 2. Yes.
This community basically caters to like middle income earners, right? Working class people. Right? The average working class people. That's the kind of people that this community caters to. In terms of the location, it's perfect, right? St. Catherine is just outside of Kingston. Gore website have Phoenix Park Village being 10 minutes from Kingston. In our estimation, it's a little more than that. Probably twice the time. But nonetheless, it's very, very, very close to Kingston, but not in Kingston.
Outside, exactly.
So because of that, it makes the pricing be a little bit more affordable. Right, and you can't get communities like this in Kingston anymore because Kingston,
there's no space.
Unless you go up on the hill, and in the hills, more expensive.
In the hills, you have to pay for the hill view. You know this already.
Yeah, man. Yeah. So right now, guys, we are driving around in phase 1. Phase 1.
So we're gonna basically carry you through the existing community, Phoenix Park Village.
Yes.
And show you what Gore has done with this community, so you can have a really good idea of what is going to happen for Phoenix Park Village 2.
Yes.
And 2, we are aware that there are some persons who buy into communities that are overseas and haven't gotten the chance to see. So if you haven't gotten a chance to come to Phoenix Park Village, this is what it looks like.
Yes. Alright, so guys, we're in phase 1. Alright, Gore have 3 different unit types for the original Phoenix Park Village. So them have the 675, right? Them have the 813, and they have the 960 square feet. Alright, most of these around here in phase 1 are the 960 square feet, 2 bed, 2 bath. You also have a few 2 bed, 1 bath in here as well. Right, but phase 2 now is mainly just the 675 square feet, 2 bed, 1 bath. In the later phases, you have more options you can choose from. Alright, so yeah man, this is it. It's a new community, people still doing their landscaping and stuff like that. And
we can see some people have been doing a lot and it look nice. Some people, you can build from the back. You're advised not to come to the front. The individual units are not fenced, so you'd have to do that yourself. So most of the homes that you get will not be paved. It will look very similar to this, where you get gravel as your driveway and you'd have to do the paving, except for the larger units, the 916 or 915. So this is Phoenix Park Village. At the moment, we have 5 phases to complete this community. We have phase 1, with all the units that were offered. Phase 2, with only the 2 bed, 1 bath. Phase 3, 4, and 5 is now being developed, and we're going to show you what they look like. This is the entrance on Dunby Oden Road, closer to Brayton, and just a little bit across from Caribbean Estate entrance as well. As you can see, this is a pretty busy main road, and with the creation of this community, it has become extremely busy. Like if it was busy before, it's like quadruple right now, right?
Hello, good day. All right, thank you.
So guys, this is the entrance to our community. Oftentimes extremely busy in the afternoons, but as you can see, have a look. This is what we look like.
Yeah, man. All right, guys. So in terms of the gate setup, you know, you have control access. The visitors come on the left, the right lane here.
Yeah.
All right, and you have a security guard up there. You know.
Waiting for it right here.
Yep.
So if you're coming in, guys, please wait right here. If you do have to wait in this little section right here. Don't cut the gate.
Yep.
And if you want to come in, and you name the car the gate, don't come out there to come bad up the security. Don't do it. You must stop it. Residents are on this side. So this side is for persons with access. So once you have your
as you can see there, that person there just pull up. They have their pass. The barrier will lift for them. Hopefully. Yeah, see there? Yeah, the barrier lift. And then them gone. So they, yeah, there you go.
And that's how it works. So this community is a relatively new community. As you mentioned before, we are finishing up, Gore is finishing up construction of phase 5, and we should have another entry further down on Dunby Holding Road. So we'll show you what that looks like. It's not yet completed, but we're going to show you what that looks like nonetheless. Alright, so guys, we are traveling on Dunby Holding Road, and this has become a very busy thoroughfare. All right, this is the road that connects Portmore to Spanish Town bypass, and
one of the roads.
Yes, one of the roads that connect Portmore to Spanish Town bypass. So it is a very busy road, especially in the mornings and in the afternoons. Okay guys, so this is the entrance in phase 5 of the community, the closest to Spanish Town bypass. So if you're coming from Spanish Town bypass, and you will definitely see this gate before.
This is without rhyme or reason. I'm not an optimist, I just never dress for the season.
Alright peeps, so right behind us there's a playground. Alright, see here, yep, it's a playground. The association just recently installed a few more activity for the kids. Them install some swings and stuff like that.
The kids are loving it, especially the swings. And there's always a lineup for the swings. So, and we also have a gazebo over this side.
Right.
Now over this side, the association has offered the gazebo to persons, to residents here, that they can have functions at a cost, of course. So yeah.
Yep. Alright, this is
office.
Temporary office. Over here, this is not the actual, what you call it now, the community. This is not the actual community center. So Gora just put this in until phase 5 come in.
Completed.
Yeah, because I think the community center will be in phase 4, where all of this, the football field, play area, all of that is gonna be, right?
Yeah,
but like the phase 1 residents, needed something, and phase 2 as well, because they were here a lot earlier than, you know, some other persons. So it was kind of unfair having them wait all the way until phase 5 complete before.
I think it's a pretty good idea because of the size of such a community, that you have more than one play areas. One play area simply cannot suffice for so many kids, because this play area in the evening, you can see over here. Over here is full. Alright?
Yeah. True.
Carry over here the other day, probably can insert a little clip of that and carry discover dirt. So this is the football field as well.
Yeah, football field over here. Not the best, because they never really put a lot of emphasis in it, you know. But yeah guys, so as we say in this in this video guys, we won't be actually doing a tour of the houses. But if you don't want to see a tour of the house itself, we did do a tour of our Airbnb. Our link will be in the info card and in the description as well. So if you want to see what inside of these houses look like, you can refer to that video. We also just, you know, to know that this is where our Airbnb is located, guys. So if you know somebody that want to book an Airbnb, or if you want to book an Airbnb yourself, link will be in the description as well for that, guys. All right, our Airbnb link.
This is basically a drive-through. We're currently in phase 2, and this is what it looks like.
Cross my name off the list. This is without rhyme or reason. I'm not an optimist. I just never dress for the season. There's no reason. It's time to pay off all my attempts to make a bad move. Procrastination, deep down a need to take a wrong turn. I don't know how long's forever. We could never stick together that long. Let it all just blow to pieces.
Of course, you're responsible for landscaping your own home. This over here and that sign are the responsibility of the association. So too the roundabouts and such the like common areas. So we do have an active association here, and once you are an homeowner, you are a member of that association. This community is a gated community. I don't know if you mentioned that, but this community is a gated community, and we have 24-hour security.
Can't show that sign there. That was for rent.
Yes, you do have houses that
So
are
them
being
get a free
rented
ad.
here.
Those people get a free ad.
Okay.
They get a free ad.
Yeah, so in this community, you have a lot of persons who buy into the community and are looking to get returns immediately for renting, long-term and short-term, of course, like what we do. This is a tour of
This is
phase
4 now. So down here,
as you see, they're starting to put in all of the landscaping for phase 4. It's coming along nicely.
yeah. Alright, so see a little common area right here that was designed, not looking too bad. Alright, so down here is not yet fully complete. Hey, what go on? Where you going with? Yeah. But try to get this to put up later. Yeah man, you're good? Alright, take care, yeah. Cool. Yeah, so over here now is the new one of the newer sections, guys. This is phase 4.
Yes.
Right? Down here is where Gore side office is for now. When they move out, they're gonna change here into the common area. Yeah. Yeah, so the model units around here, so guys. The Gore model units are here, 1, 2, 3 of them. Alright.
We have one right here.
Alright.
This is where we came on our mommy unit. So we were very excited when we came. And we're vloggers, no we weren't. So we had a lot of amateur, but we were still like, we used to take video footage. So we took video footage for our family members and other persons. So we weren't YouTube vloggers, but we were still vloggers. We're doing our thing.
Yeah. Alright, so we have the 3 model units here, guys. So this is the 675, right? 2 bed, 1 bath. The living here is a little shorter, right, than the 810. So the 810 and the 675 are almost identical, just that the living here is a little longer. And then you have the 940 2 bed, 2 bath. Right, so these are the model units, guys. And as we say again, if you want to see what the inside looks like, refer to our Airbnb tour video that we did. That video was done a little bit before we actually did a lot of decorations. So the place was set up, but some more decorative pieces were put in after that video. But definitely check it out, guys.
Yeah.
Alright? And as I said, 940 right here. You see the landscaping. This is what you can expect. Mind you, the fixtures on the inside might be a little bit different than what you'll be getting in the later phases.
That is to say that the color of the cupboards might be a bit different.
The doors
color of the counters might be a bit different, and the doors might be a little bit different. So for each phase that you go, you can expect minor changes, but the general structure, the general look, the general feel is the same.
Yep. Alright guys, here. Yep. Alright guys, so this is some of the construction work going on in Phoenix Park Village, Yeah, this is a really nice contemporary design here. Alright. Yep. Our brethren live right almost across the street. Yeah, so it's looking good. So it's just about you getting your ideas, you putting your ideas together and can make it work. Yep, definitely can make it work. Yes. Alright. They are putting some cladding on the exterior wall here too. Looking nice. The last time I came it's never reached this stage. But looking good, and they still preserve the front, the design of the front. That is important, right? They are the original structure. They have to maintain that, and they add their tweak to it, making it nice. Yeah. Yep. And here is a common area, right? The association can do a lot with an area like this. So this area is fully handed over to the residents, and they can do what they want to do, This is nice. A really nice design on this one too. Yeah. Window moldings and everything. Very eerie. Them have a corner lot, so them can do a lot. They have a lot of nice options to choose from, right? Yeah. Actually know the person, so we can walk in. Just actually gone in. Yeah, see her there. Just gone in. Yeah.
Okay guys, so I want to like my video today. Let us know in the comment section what you think about this community, any video ideas that you have. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Road to 50k by May. Yep. Alright guys, subscribe to our channel. Alright,
and again guys, as we say, if you don't want to see the house tour, the tour the inside of these houses, check out our tour for Airbnb. Link will be in the description and in info card as well guys.
Yes.
Yeah man.
Give us a thumbs up on this video guys. Remember, when you subscribe, turn on your post notification. Go for the one with the bell on the side, with the little accent on the side right there, because then every time we post a video, you're gonna be notified. Alright, love you lovely people.
Yeah guys, we're out.
Cross my name off the list. This is without rhyme or